How to download apps without Apple ID password on iPhone. So if you're trying to download an application on your iPhone and each time you click on the get button, the next thing you see is you'll be prompted to type in your Apple account password, and now you want to erase this. Then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to download apps without Apple ID password on iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. On the settings page, scroll down, keep scrolling until you get to screen time and then select screen time. Now, once you select screen time, make sure your screen time is turned on. Now, we're going to scroll down the page and click on content and privacy restrictions. Once you click on that, under content and privacy restrictions, scroll down and click on iTunes and App Store purchases. Then here, under require password, click on don't require password. Then hit the back button. Turn off content and privacy restrictions. So once that is disabled, hit the back button again. Then go back and click on Face ID and passcode on your iPhone settings. Go ahead and type in your iPhone passcode. Once you type in your iPhone passcode, come to iTunes and App Store, then disable this. Then you can now go back to the App Store to download the application you want to install without the password. So that is basically how to download apps without Apple ID password on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.